So this is the part of the lasagna that we use, guys. So yummy, yummy. And it's all juicy, juicy. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. We're not going to overcook our lasagna pasta. It's just enough to be softened, because we don't like to be hard. So we can add our pasta sauce meat. Serve everything what you have inside. Because you don't need to put water on this. The sauce is the one who's making liquid on your beef meat. Then we're going to cook it into a medium heat. Add some ground paprika. Oh, it's too much. I put too much. Let's remove it. Fresh black pepper. Then 4 packet of magic syrup. I'm using this potato masher. You have to be sure that our meat is been spread out into pieces. You don't like that into like a balls, See, some of them is like a ball. So what I did, I just smash it in the bottom slowly. Then everything will be okay. That way when you spread out into your lasagna noodles, everything will be even. some of the balls, it's been gone. So just few more minutes, I think 1 more minute to smash like that, everything will be okay. I think that's fine. See, that way when you put it on the layer, when you do the lasagna layering, everything is okay. Everything is evenly labeled, and then you can add some it is done already. Stay tuned. And this time we're going to mix our mixture, our egg mixture, or our ricotta cheese mixture, whatever you can call it. Half of this what's this, 1 pound or 680 gram, half of this, 1 egg, mix it together. Mexican style cheese. We're going to mix them too. We're going to mix it gradually. Gradually means slowly. Instead of Parmesan cheese, since I don't have Parmesan cheese, this is what I did, this the substitution for my Parmesan cheese. So we're going to set this aside. We can put this in the ref for a while we're still cooking for our meat sauce. Stay tuned. It's the light, I think it's reflecting on my Pyrex. So we're going to do the first layer. We have to spread a little bit of our sauce on the bottom. That way that way our pasta will not be sticking on the bottom of this cooking dish. Just enough. Just enough to make it wet or whatever you call it. And then we can start with our lasagna noodles. So here one. Okay. 2, 3, 4. So that will be okay. This will be okay because that will be flattened later when we put some on the top of this. Okay, so ready? We have to put the meat. Yummy. Put it slowly. Sure that you cover the noodles. That will be okay even though it's not that thick because it is the cheese that makes more flavor on this. So. Going to put our cheese, cottage cheese. You can see, guys, some of the cheese that I mix it's the shredded one, the yellow one, that Mexican. It's been melting already. Then we're going to put our mozzarella cheese. We're going to chop another layer of our lasagna noodles. This will be our layers of lasagna. Now we can add some Parmesan cheese on the top. Just sprinkle it. Let's add more flavor, because lasagna is all about cheese. ingredients to make that flavor there. Okay. Then we're going to cover it. Then we're going to put it onto the oven. Okay. So I'm cooking it into 375 degrees, and then close it, and then we'll check it later. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this will be our finished product, our lasagna a la Estella. Yum yum yum. Yeah. Lasagna a la Estella. How's that? Let's try. Stay tuned. So this is the part of the lasagna that we use, guys. So